62% of Americans have never met a Muslim in person.
My name is Osama. People wrongly associate me with Osama bin Laden.
I'm just another American Muslim who loves their country.
If there ever become a day when this country is attacked, I will be the first one to go to enlist.
The country that welcomed me as an immigrant, the same courthouse that I was sworn in as a citizen. I walk in as representing that government.
Dealing with bigotry, dealing with injustices right now, dealing with hate crimes, it pushes me to, honestly, to be stronger in my faith and to be stronger as an American.
And I think we have added a great deal to this country.
My family has been in America for 125 years. My father is an army man.
Being an African-American Muslim, now coupled, with racism and Islamophobia come in, if you're not on the other side, it can be really scary.
Embrace our tradition, but we also embrace the American tradition.
I served a combat tour of duty in Vietnam in 1967. I fought for this country.
Well, profiling people based on their religious background is as un-American as anything can be.